Hi senior infants, this is your Busy at Maths tutorial for Wednesday the 10th of February. So we are on to a new topic, it is weight. And today we are doing a fairly simple exercise because you don't have to actually weigh anything in person, you just look at the weight as it shows it in the book. So what do I mean by that? Let's take a look. Count the number of conquerors on each balance and write the correct numeral as it says here at the top. So in the sentence here it says the scissors, that's a tough word there, SC, there's a silent C, a silent K there, scissors weigh, and also this is a tricky enough word here because it's got that A sound that's got a GH in it, so don't worry about the reading too much here, but weight has that word in it. Also, if you take away the W, you'll notice that it says 8, the number 8. But I am getting sidetracked here. What I want to say to you guys is all you have to do is see how many conquerors it takes to weigh, to balance out the scales. The scales is the tool we use for measuring and weight, for weighing things. So how many conquerors does it take to balance out with the scissors? So if the scissors was heavier, the scales would be balanced down, or would be imbalanced. It would be down this side. If the conquerors were heavier, it would be imbalanced down this way, and the scissors would be up in the air. The conquerors would be down low. So what we need to do here is find out what the person has done here to balance out the two scales. The scissors weigh the same, so they're on the level, they're the same with this many conquerors. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you will write in the number 8. Write an S and do not wait, join it up to make an 8. So you will say that to make that level, the scissors weighs the same as 8 conquerors. You're basically just counting what it takes to make it balanced. I won't go through all of them because it's basically just a counting exercise, but what you'll really take away from this is the knowledge that this part here, whatever's on here, has to be the same as this because the balance is straight across. The weight, the scales is straight across. One of them isn't down at the bottom, one of them isn't up at the top. They are exactly the same, so they have to be weighed. They have to be weighted the same. So take a look at all of them, count up how many things weigh, how many conquerors each thing weighs, and fill in the questions at the bottom. So I'll help you with the reading here because there's a bit of tough reading here. The blank is the heaviest of all. So which thing weighs the most? Which thing weighs more conquerors than anything else? Okay, one of those things on the page weighs more conquerors than anything else. Down here at the bottom again, the blank, and you have to fill in the space here, is the lightest of all. Lightest of all. And there's a funny little IGH here to say I. Don't worry about that too much. We'll get into that with our phonics later as we go on. The blank is the lightest of all. So what is the lightest one of all? Which one takes the least conquerors to measure? Okay, you'll know that once you fill in each of these. And finally, down at the bottom, the blank and blank weigh the same. So when you look at the weight of these things and when you count up how many conquerors, two of the things, the blank and the blank, two of the things that you're weighing will weigh the exact same. Okay, so let's go through the things that are being weighed just to make sure we know what they are. We have scissors, there's the word scissors there. We have, we have the pear, the fruit, the pear, that's the word pear there. We have a ball, the word ball. Orange, the word orange. We have carrot, there's the word. Book, the word book. Pencil, there it is. And lunchbox. So you'll fill in those, the something is the heaviest of all, the something is the lightest of all, and the something and something weigh the same. So best luck with that, guys. Slán agus Garamachov.